I'm a shirt assistant. We help out each year at the Flyin and at our monthly meetings around North Texas.
I'm Kathy, and I'm here at the registration table. This is the Flyin for 2019.
This is Gary Platt. He's famous, and he did the missing man formation. We observed a moment of silence today for our friends that have gone west. And this is Gary Platt, and he led 4 ship RVAs.
Is this the cooking action over here?
Yes, sir.
Hey, it's a beautiful morning in Gainesville, Texas. We're here with our 1938 Shell Stinson. This is the airplane that Jimmy Doolittle flew in the late 30s for the Shell Oil Company when he was the vice president there. And we're trying to keep history alive by keeping it in the air and getting it out and showing it to people.
Beautiful RV.
Hey, thank you. How are you?
Doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about it, or just?
It's a quick build. I've had it running about 14 years. It's got about 800 hours on it. It's painted the colors of the B-51 my dad flew in World War II. 309 Squadron out of Italy. A little bit like it anyway.
I'm John Wilhite out of Lancaster Airport. I built this RV-8, and it has a 200 horse Lycoming engine with a Continental, with a constant speed prop on it. Cruises well over 200 miles an hour, burning about 10 gallons an hour. Took me 3.5 years to build it, and I've flown it for be 5 years next month.